Ortillon Score served as captain of the Alpha Legion's 78th chapter during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Known as the King Killer or Hydra's headsman, Score would be appointed as a consul delegatus of the Legion and be given unique resources and authority within the Alpha Legion. Dispatched personally by his Primarch, Alfarius, to bring worlds into compliance and to dispatch singular enemies of his Imperium. Score's name would be chronicled into the Great Crusade War Council's lauded Roll of Honor on no less than 7 occasions for his deeds, and despite his acumen as a warrior, he would also show great skill as a diplomat of the Legion. Yet with the outbreak of the Horus Heresy and Legion's seeming alliance with the traitors to the throne, Score's deeds would be scrutinized by his peers. Utterly defeated by the shattered Loyalist legions during the Battle of Epsilon Stravavar 9, Score's once flawless deeds and battle record would see his favor with his Primarch wane. Exiled to the northern rim of the galaxy, Score would be forgotten by the War Master and the Alpha Legion. Desperate to redeem himself, Score would see an opportunity to regain his reputation during the campaign against the Mazoa Forge World. Score would assemble a task force of 9,000 soldiers consisting of legionaries of the Iron Warriors under the command of Narek Drager, Mechanicum Tagmata, and Imperialis Auxilia soldiers. Treating his Iron Warriors allies terribly during the siege of Mazoa, Score would use them as sacrificial pawns to better achieve his own ambitions. Turning on his once ally, Iron Warrior Narek Drager would ally with the Salamanders under the command of Venerable Dreadnought Cassian Dracos and force Score to abandon his campaign. Losing his arm during his engagement with the Salamander Lieutenant Chaplain Xiophas Jur, Score's deeds for the remainder of the Horus Heresy and beyond would be lost to history. The once headsman of the 20th Legion, now disgraced in the eyes of his Legion and Imperium's history.